door is just a hole in the ground. I'm looking for the ghost of where we used to hang around. But the coordinates are shifting, the city's folding in, and everything I counted on is wearing paper thin. Just the static of a memory that forgot its own name. You used to lift me off the pavement, made me drift away. Now I'm anchored to the concrete, watching colors turn to gray. I'm tethered to the asphalt, a stone in the wreckage of a house that I never called a home. It cuts right through the winter, that blinding morning white. A sun that holds no fire, just a harsh and jagged light. I'm staring at the floor, waiting for the hinges to stop screaming at the door. Everything is polished, everything is cold. The story's still the same, but the ending's getting old. Yeah, the story's still the same, but the ending's getting old. A winter sun that shivers, a sky that's turning glass. We're watching all the seasons and the strangers as they pass. There's a space beside the window where the shadow used to be. Now it's just the vacancy staring back at me. Find a place to rest your head. The morning's getting colder, and the fire's long since dead. Just sit in the silence, breathe in the frost. We're rewriting the future on the ashes of the lost.